Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating, healthy eating for the mind and body. Welcome to another video. So today I'm doing a very quick grocery haul. It's very quick. I went to the supermarkets today and I went to two major grocery brands. I was able to get lamb shoulder from Morrison's, which was on special offer. I was able to get some minced beef, some red pesto sauce, coconut milk, which I purchased as well. I have here some baked beans. We have some rice. We have some burger buns, brioche burger buns. We've got some potatoes here and some desiccated coconut and some proactive yogurt. Now, over the weekend, I'll be posting another video, hopefully, fingers crossed, for a smoothie recipe that I want to share on mindful eating, and I hopefully will try to put out another video as well, two other videos, so let's hope that'll be able to take place. But with the coconut milk and the desiccated coconut, I'll be making a smoothie recipe. The shoulder of lamb, I'll be updating that on another video, and obviously all the other stuff is for everyday use. Now, at the minute, everyone is trying to look for bargains for groceries and shopping, but in total I must have spent over maybe about 20 something pounds. This is if you're a single person. If you're not, it's going to be double that. And basically I plan to make some burgers. I hope to share that recipe as well on mindful eating. This will be shown on my other channel, which I have. I plan to either roast it or slow cook it, but I think I'll roast it. And that's it. Basically, this is a very short video for my grocery haul. And I went to Morrison's and I went to Lidl to get the grocery shopping done today. I hope this video was of interest to someone, and this came to just roughly around 20, maybe about 23 or 25 pounds, I would assume, because obviously I bought stuff that I don't regularly buy, but you know, this is something for a single person. For myself, because I'm a chef, I try my best to make food interesting, and I will hopefully try to share two more videos again with you tomorrow, obviously on my different channels. The smoothie recipe hopefully tomorrow, and then my other channel called Chef Dinner Events, I will basically share that with you with the shoulder recipe. I hope this video was of interest to somebody today. Thank you for watching and have a good day.